Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into CP Rail Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in employees.cpr.ca. Then you'll come across this login portal. Here, you'll have to enter your username associated with your account and your valid password. After entering your details, click on the Log On button to proceed. And that is how you can log into CP Rail Employee Portal. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.